1, 2, testing. I've been talking for how long? I've been talking for 24 minutes without plugging in the mic. Okay, so, hey, how's it going? Greetings, true believers. It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic artist, artsy Bible nerd. Now you can hear me. So, so, how's it going? For the last 24 minutes, I've been going on about um, I've been going on about. So I've been all excited about this podcast I've been listening to. His name his Rabbi. I forget his first name. Sobel is his last name. But I did some research, and I'm no longer excited about this rabbi. So I have to tell you people because I have been public on stream about how awesome this guy is. But now I have to be as public on stream telling you why I'm no longer going to be singing the praises of this rabbi. So strike number one. Strike number one was when he mentioned the occupation of Jesus. He said that Jesus was not a carpenter, that he was an architect, which I had heard that he worked with stone instead of wood, but I never heard that he was an architect, so I really had to check that out. I really had to go to Blue Line Bible and look up the words that they're using, and they were not using the word for architects. They were using the word tekton, or tecton, which is spelled Tekton, and it means craftsman. But it does not mean architect, because there is a word for architect. That word is architecton, master builder. So it is not in the Bible that. And also I looked that word up to see if I could find architecton in the rest of the Bible, and it cannot be found in the rest of the Bible. So that was strike number one. Strike number two is when he mentioned the word for rock is Aben, which is spelled Aleph, Beit, Nun, and Aleph always has been the number one, and Beit is right next to it. That's number 2, and Nun is 50. So 1 plus 2 plus 50 equals 53, which means that all the things that he mentioned about number 50 being so awesome about the day of Pentecost does not hold up. So that was strike number 2. Strike number 3 is a doozy. The third strike is when he said that the reason that the shepherds understood so well that the Messiah was lying in a manger, why did they get so excited, is because these were Levitical priests, shepherds rather, who were taking care of Levitical sheep, and you have to have a certain sheep, you have to have a certain lamb for sacrificing, because it has to be without blemish. It has to be it has to be a good sheep. Good sheep, no sin. You have to have a sinless sheep, a sinless lamb, no sinning for the sheep, for the special sheep. But and they said he said that this cave that uh, Jesus was born in is usually used for giving birth to these Levitical sheep. So that's a good story. That sounds like it should be all. It sounds like there should be a prophecy about that. Uh, so I looked it up, and there's no evidence on Google about Levitical sheep being taken care of in Bethlehem. So, actually, there was one source about Levitical sheep, and that was Rabbi Sobel himself. He himself corroborated his own story, which